Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error with Unity. The first thing you want to do is turn off any VPNs or proxy settings. Unity flags multiple IPs caused by VPN routing as a security violation, so make sure you're not doing that. After you have done that, you want to open the command prompt and flush your DNS. So go to search, type in cmd, right click on this, say run as administrator. From here, type ipconfig /release, then ipconfig /renew, and then ipconfig /flush DNS, and then reboot your PC and try it once again. The next thing you might want to try is switching your network from public to private. So go to search, go to settings, go to network and internet on left hand side. From here, I have Ethernet because I'm connected via Ethernet. You might see Wi-Fi at the top here. And what you want to do is click on that and switch it to a private network. Unity might be blocked on a public network by firewall rules, so maybe that is the problem. The next thing you want to do is allow Unity through your network firewall. So go to Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and you want to click on Allow an app to the firewall. Find it here and allow it, or you can just turn off the firewall temporarily while you run it. If you have a third-party antivirus running, I would recommend turning that off. The next thing you can try is to use a mobile hotspot. Or I'm sorry, if you're using a mobile hotspot, it might be flagged as an ISP issue. So if you're doing that, then try to switch it to a different Wi-Fi. The next thing you want to do is try to clear your browser's cache. So open up, I'm gonna say Chrome, go to delete browsing data, I believe it is. Browsing history, cache files and images, and delete data and cookies and other sites. While you're at it, this does seem to fix the issue for many people. And the last thing you want to do is open the Unity Hub, go to settings, license management, and click refresh, or manually add your license, and that should fix the issue. If it did, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.